Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I got some cards in from my friend of mine that I buy cards from. And let's go through the whole procedure and let's open them up. And you see what I got. So I have a 1965 Pontiac GTO. And this is the holiday rod. Debating if I want to open this or not. I only have this one, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this is what the guy looked like. Check out the interior. Check out the back. And look at the front. And what the heck? Let's open up. We'll open this one up last. And also got some 1970 Dodge Challenger Hemi. So that's this guy. Five spokes. So let's open this guy up. You guys want to see the back of it? And then the card itself. As you can see, there's 5 spokes. And here is the car. Yeah, my light is not the best today. So, where are the rest of you guys? I am so not organized today. And here is the 2008 Dodge Challenger in green. And this is the SRT8. Switch them out. And next up is the Challenger concept car. Moving right along. Back up some. There you go. And that one has 5 spokes, just like the first one. That's these guys. And next on up to bat is, let's get organized. Okay, so I have some Oldsmobile 442. If I can get it out of the package. Not going well, guys. So I have that one in green. You can see the O's. And I have it in pretty cool blue. And last but not least, I have it in red. So, and this one is, I'll see if it got some weight to it. And this is the holiday rod, the Pontiac GTO. So this is the 2006 holiday rod. And this is number 2 out of 5. Which is the GTO. So I just wanted to throw this guy in because I picked it up at the dollar store. It's a Matista. Throw an eyeball one in. And this is their fantasy car. What is it? It's called a Slayer. You know, they had a lot of other cars there, but this is about the only one that kind of like stood out for its fantasy cars. Check out the front end. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed my video. You know, leave your comments, tell me what you like about the cars. And think this guy has some issues. Yep, it does. You guys can see the top of that. So guys, as always, thank you for watching and keep hunting. See you on the next video. Later, guys.